Now, phase 3 begins to naturally emerge. This is my belief. As we do the work of phase 2, as we do the grief work, the meaning making work, the signs of renewal and growth begin to appear. And so what we get in phase 3 is, I call it a restored and restructured relationship with these various elements. The self. And if there are betrayed partners who are further along in their own process of healing, that you can probably testify to this, okay? You have a different relationship with yourself as a result of your journey of healing after betrayal. You respect yourself more. You value yourself more. You take ownership of your life more. You direct your life more. You bring more intention to the choices you make and the relationships you have. That is a restored and restructured relationship with the self. Next is with the other. And who is the other? Well, it's whoever the other is. It's not limited to the one who did the betraying, but others as well, right? And so betrayed partners start having a voice, not just with their partner who did the betraying, but they might start having a voice with their kids or with their boss or with their mother or whoever it is. Whoever that other is that normally I shrink down, I get small, whatever that reaction is from my old patterns and my old scripts, I have a new relationship now because I have a new relationship with myself that spills over into my relationship with my other. I also have a new relationship with my relationships. Now, this starts, I think, often with the relationship to the one who did the betraying. I have a new relationship with my relationship. Think about that. How I view this relationship and show up in this relationship is different. And it's not just because I'm showing up with you differently now. My concept of relationship is different. My commitment, my idea of relationship might be different. And so that gets restructured. It starts often with the relationship where the betrayal occurred. But again, this is often going to spill out into all these different directions and all these other relationships, until it grows, until we have a different relationship with the world, and then also with God, with your spirituality, whatever that looks like. You know, as a Christian, I believe in a personal God, and if you don't think that personal relationship gets molded and shaped and tested and, well, hopefully grows through this sort of process of healing, you know, then you got another thing coming. So all of these things begin to emerge.